And over our pantry door is this Paddington station train clock. This is a dual-sided clock. And this is what it looks like when it's mounted. 16 inches, 4.5 inches wide. Maybe it's 4 inches wide. But that's what it looks like. London NW15 is on the face, as you can see. Takes just a couple screws to mount it. You can mount directly into the sheetrock as long as you have a good anchor. This doesn't weigh too much, but if you can get into a stud, that's even better. Right here you've got a little clip here to open up to be able to change your batteries. And then you just flip it closed like that. But very decorative, very nice to add to your kitchen decor or for any living room, den, or entryway.